Hello and welcome back to another episode of Put to Practice Cooking. Today we're going to be making some fried rice. Nothing big. I'm mainly just doing this because next video I'll be doing is some orange chicken. So thought it was best to make it all in one go. So a fried rice is kind of a basic thing. It can be more complicated depending on what you want to do, but I'm not really doing a recipe. I kind of know what the stuff to throw in and what to do. So definitely gonna see how well my little experiment with I have some other stuff I'm gonna throw in there, and then obviously you got your MSG that we're gonna be putting in there. Despite what people think, MSG is totally fine as long as you you don't put too much of it in, and then also just like anything else, you don't want to like put a crazy amount of salt in there, and that's bad for you. And then secondly, if you don't have that, it's kind of similar to like the what you call the bad cilantro gene kind of situation where it's just like you're just intolerant to it. But yeah, also make sure you have some day-old rice because that is so much better. When you have day-old rice, just better fries in your wok and everything. I'm hoping this works because since the last time I used my wok, I had obviously new place and everything. I got an induction stove and I got a little ring for it. Hopefully this heats it up right. I don't know. I hope it's good. I might even have to have my window open because it's kind of smelling a little burning. So hopefully that's not too bad. So I'll see you in a second. All right, so turns out this way is definitely good. Best way to tell is always kind of fun, so you can always just tell by just always kind of interesting. So now we got that going. Let me get all our ingredients out real quick. All right, so we have everything here. Let's see here. So also I gotta boil this a little bit. I think I put a bit too much, but a little late now. So first off, we're gonna throw in some of the veggies. Got a mixed bag of just Walmart frozen vegetables, should be okay. Next, what we're gonna do is I have these leftover chives, bacon, and shallots. I made those twice baked sweet potatoes again. Anyway, so that was chives, onions, and whatnot. So okay, so next what we're gonna do is throw some cabbage in there. Not a normal thing, but I kind of like cabbage, so I thought I'd best thought to throw it in there. Kind of like I usually when I made my yakisoba before. Once that boils down, then we'll move on to the eggs. Also, should probably throw some soy sauce in here. Just not too much. Just a little, just for it to give it some flavor. Okay, so that's looking good. All right, so now it's time for the eggs. Let's put in the MSG. Oh, it's the silent killer. Yada yada yada. Should be okay now. And now for the rice. Okay, this needs to actually maybe a little bit of fluid. There you go. Some Mirin. Give it a little bit of sweet taste. Sounds like that's soaking through. I need to put some more fluid in there. Add some more soy sauce. Oh, you know what? Here, that should help. Hold on. I just hope it doesn't burn, but it should help a little bit. Some butter. Well, I think that's just about done, to be honest. So I think we will plate this up and give it a try. I mean, seems like it's going to be good. So I will see you in a second. All right, let's see how this turned out. Pretty good. Very, very good. Let me taste with all the butter and then all the carrots and whatnot. Then we got an all-around flavor. I mean, you can check that out. Looks pretty good to me. Not like all... it's a little bit, I guess, wet would be the best description, but... oh, it's pretty good. So... I think it turned out pretty well. Maybe I'll get it Uncle Roger approved, but who knows? If you know who he is, he's another YouTuber, but hey, who knows? Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and hope yours fried rice turned out good as mine. Feel free to experiment, throw whatever you want into it. I mean, that's more traditional, but you can kind of, as long as you're not crazy with it, you should be fine. Have a good rest of your day.